Switch 2.
This is the Nintendo Switch 2, and I'm going to be unboxing it and reviewing it in this video. So I've been really excited for this ever since they announced it, and I've been watching trailers and everything, so now that I got my hands on one, man, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and open it, just cut to the chase here. First of all, the box looks really cool. They have some new Joy-Cons and everything, and I bought the Mario Kart World Bundle, so I do get the brand new Mario Kart game, which is probably going to be really awesome as well. But I just opened this thing up here, and we have the Joy-Cons. The Joy-Cons look really nice. I mean, look at this. Dude, they're sleek. They're kind of matted black too. I like that. And here's the other Joy-Con. It looks, dude, these just look really, really nice. And they're magnetic, so they just kind of slap right into the console. And then of course you have the console itself here. This is the Nintendo Switch. It's really big. Compared to the old one, it's really big. I'll get the other Switch and compare it later in this video. Nice. And then I guess the Joy-Cons kind of just go right in here. Oh, that was nice. Dude, this feels really good too. And look how big this screen is. There's like no bezels to it or anything. And I guess to take the Joy-Cons off, there's just this little button here, and it has this mechanism that points a pin out. So that's how you take out the Joy-Cons. But enough of that, let's open the rest of this box. You have the Nintendo Switch 2, I'm guessing, safety instructions. Got it. You have your HDMI cord for your TV. You have, it looks like the little thing you can put the Joy-Cons on to play with the Joy-Cons separate from the Switch. That's what that looks like. They had something similar with the original Switch. And you also have the, the controller. So you can just plop your Switch 2 right in here. Ooh. I actually like this better than the old one. It fits your hands a lot better because of the ergonomics of it. Kind of fits your hands and it feels a lot nicer than the other one did. And then you have your charging, dude, this is one beefy charging block. And your charging cord as well. Thank the Lord it's USB-C. I know they've kind of been with that for a long time. And the last thing in this box looks to be the Switch dock. Man, that's one sleek looking dock right here. And I'm assuming you can take the back off and you have all of your ports. Okay, I like that. And actually I have an Ethernet port this time, that's nice. And I'm guessing there was nothing else in this box. So it says you can just download Mario Kart World from the eShop the second you turn on this console. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on right here. Ooh, look at that Nintendo. Wait, it has a nice stand too, doesn't it? Oh yes, look at that, that's flexible. Oh, it's telling me to put them on? Okay. Joy-Con time. Man, I'm loving this thing so far. This is a really nice console. It feels great too. It's heavier than the original Switch, but it's not. Ooh, wait, you hear that music? I like that. So, we're just gonna choose English, US. The Americas. It says the system can stand out wherever angle you like. Just pull out the rear stand, and that's how we kind of have this cool looking stand sitting right here. Pretty nice too. You can see it's a lot nicer than the old stand. It had that just like floppy little one tab. Oh, and also something's worth mentioning. They put the AC adapter at the top of the console this time, so that when you want to charge it, you can charge it and use the stand, which is just so nice. Okay, it's telling me to detach the right hand Joy-Con. Okay, also the left hand Joy-Con. Oh, now we got update data. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna do it the way I was originally gonna do it now. There's a USB-C at the top of this console and at the bottom of this console, which is really nice. They also have a headphone jack. As per usual, like the only company that still does that, which by the way is a good thing. Don't stop that, Nintendo. And oh man, dude, it's just so nice. I don't know why, but it's just so nice. And then here's where you insert your game cards, which is just such a little flappy thing. The whole thing just plops out. That's just so cool. Downloading the data. Okay, let me have this for 1 second. We have just set this entire thing up. Okay, there we go, connect to that controller. Here we go, y'all. Is this the big restart? Is this the final run? I don't know, that's not what you would call it. The first run? The beginning? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Click the home button to go to the home menu. I'm so excited, dude. Come on, what's gonna happen? Oh, nice. I love this. Look at it, look at the music. Dude, I love the fact that they just did music as you start it. And they have all of our games here. But what I'm most curious about, first of all, you can see everything you see we have all of our users that we have on the other console now on here. We have Nintendo Switch Online. Oh, dude, it looks so sleek. Switch Online, Gamechat, News, eShop, Album, Game Share, Controllers, Virtual Game Cards, System Settings, and Sleep Mode. First of all, Gamechat. Oh, so it shows you who you can use Gamechat. News. That's cool. eShop. I want to download this Mario Kart. What do you mean sign in? I'm gonna take my phone again. Anyways, now we can download Mario Kart World. Can be downloaded on this system. You can see it says it right here. Alright, continue to download. Yes, please. Download. The Nintendo eShop, it's actually really sleek, and and they have an actual recommendation system this time. We've been asking for this forever. We finally have a recommendation system on the Nintendo Switch. Oh, of course it's gonna give me ATV games, I'm not surprised. While we're waiting on this, by the way, just because I don't think this is gonna download fast enough for me to really give a review. They have a really nice online play. Keep in mind they have Gamechat. Gamechat is so that you can essentially use Discord, but it's on the Nintendo Switch too. So I can't even use it because what game am I going to use it on? I will show some footage on the screen right now. It's essentially Discord, but on the Nintendo Switch. And because this is going to take forever to download Mario Kart World, I will be back in a little bit once I connect this to my TV using this dock, and we'll be playing Mario Kart World to give a full review overall on this system. But so far, I love it, and I think it's really sleek, and I love the things they've added, and they've really added a lot of quality of life to it. I like the little music and all the things to it. So far, I would recommend it, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. So it's officially been a week since that was recorded, and I didn't end up being able to actually record when I first played Mario Kart World, because I put it down in the living room, and me and my family just kind of all played it, and that just didn't happen. But what I can say, Mario Kart World, it's an okay game. I think they could have put more effort into it, made certain parts of it a little bit better to make it a little bit better of a launch game. But overall, there are a lot of little Easter eggs and little sections that are just really unique about it compared to the other Mario Karts. Now, as a Switch 2 as a whole, it runs a lot nicer than its predecessor. Much faster, much smoother. When you put Breath of the Wild on a 4K TV, it looks freaking stellar. So I guess in all that, I say I would recommend it as long as you're okay with paying the $450 price point, because it is a little more expensive. But to be fair, inflation's went up, the price of everything has went up, and you go look at Sony's consoles and they're up there too. Everything's up there, sadly. I really wish it wasn't, but it kind of is. So I would say I really like it. I don't know if you should get it technically for a home console, because I will say it is literally the best handheld console out there. But when you compare it to PlayStation, like the PlayStation 5 or 5 Pro, it wavers a little bit in comparison. But who's going to be taking their PlayStation 5 on vacation? Anyways, that's that. I'm going to have a review out in probably about a month on what I think about it after a month. So if you want to see that, stick around. Make sure to subscribe if you liked the video. Check our Patreon out. I forgot to plug that in the video. Check our Patreon out for funny bloopers, and sometimes I do giveaways and kind of like exclusive little extra bits and pieces here and there. And with that, thank you all so much for watching. I don't really know what else to say. Maybe check these videos out right here. If you like them, YouTube thinks you'll like them. So, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day, everybody.